What time is it, Matt?
4:45.
Breathe into the air. Oh God.
Come on. Oh, I thought you were filming that then.
Inouï.
Bahamas, from Hawaii.
Wait. We just had some tea and some homemade biscuits. It's delightful. Wise.
Bonjour.
It's very warm. It's terrifying. There's a bit of building work going on down there. Don't mind that.
You can see anything. Matt, how are you feeling about the snake situation?
Shitting myself.
A mosque. Cheese pizza.
Efta. Meatballs.
That's delightful.
You remember? Okay. Like this. 1, 2. Okay, watch.
10 out of 10.
Clean plate.
Solid 9.9.
We're going quad biking today.
You excited? What, in my video? I thought he was throwing a peace sign in the video then.
Do you like that?
See Jade? Jad.
It's hard.
Hi! Thank you. Bon appetit.
So bloody hot.
It's roasting.
It's so hot. We haven't brought our hats. Where we go?
Some desert.
To do what?
Quad biking. Dab. Eat. Delicious.
Huh?
Yeah, no, it's quite good. Try it.
You want to try? My lord. Out. Get out.
We're about to go.
Oh, poor thing. He's lost. We're going on a camel. Camel. Off we go. Yeah, move up a bit.
Like the hip scrubs.
Yeah, you. Oh. Yeah. That's better. They're the babies. Hello, baby. Hello. Oh, this one's come in. Oh my god, that He's tied up. That one's tied up because he tries to run quick. No, it's because he runs. You run off. Oh. Hello. What's happened to your camel? What's happened to your camel? Look. What a good little guy. I nearly flopped. Look at them. Aww. What are you rating it? 1 out of 10. I agree.
You may walk that same road. You pull the trigger fast, no me cry. The silence after boom and the stone walk heavy. The spirit full of doom. Could I been a brother? Could I been a son? No. Could I been a brother? Could I been a son? No. The weights upon my chest can't be undone. Little 22. My call her Peggy Sue. She rest up on my side, but me never plan for use. One wrong move, me and got take control. Now me cry to Jah for try restore my soul. The crowd stand watch, the moment still alive. I'm wonder how me. She rest up on my side, but me never plan for use. One wrong move, me and got take control. Now me cry to Jah for try restore me.
It's too bloody early.
It's way too early and we're so tired.
It's still dark out.
It's not even 20 to 8.
Ti dirò le cose dette mai. Di quest'amore noi saremo gli
Few months actually it will be very
There we go. We might as well turn back now.
Bonjour, Mr. Monkey Man.
Là, c'est un monsieur.
Eating.
Oh, he is quite cute. I'm surprised at how brave he is. We're at the waterfall.
We're at the waterfall.
Where is it?
It's there.
Oh.
Basta ka din aranggier.
Here we have the waterfall. Wyciągnąć.
Jest większa, jest bardziej zajęta.
Oh, we dropped a pea.
Mało mnie nadepnij. Weź Wiktoria tak stać. Gdzie tam, jak tu mnie zasłaniają?
ولو درسنا والله نصرنا حرام وريه والله انا كنا نولي درنا نكتب غير عون غير وي وي
The bracelet. It's not shit, is it? It's lovely. It's not shit.
Beautiful.
Divine. Absolutely divine. Just to get on. So your new hat, Matt.
Bonjour.
Wait, do the spin. No, there's no.
Oh my god, it's sort of a bit big for my head.
It's ever so cold.
It's so cold.
Get us up there.
Hello. We did burn our head.
Oh, they've all come down now. Not many left up there.
It's pretty. It's freezing.
Let's go to the moon. Okay, good morning. Everybody okay? Good? Until now you...
Yeah, I know. No, don't, because that's...
I don't think you can see the water. It's because it's too bright. You might need to...
Oh, is it filming? We're on the balloon in the sky.
Sancho.
I'm filming.
Sancho. 1,060 meters, 600 meters ground level is the maximum height. 5 días y medio, 5 days and a half. 4,2 kilómetros por hora, 300 metros a la derecha del todo.
Better come.
This is the
Down.
So you can sit, this is like
this direction, please. Just flex a little. I'll come with you. Pilot, okay? Thank you. Sometimes happen this. This is the Cappadocia when I be flying all the time.
What are they? Oh.
Come and stroke
have
it.
rabies.
He doesn't have rabies. He's all good. He's a good boy.
It's a girl.
It's a girl.
Yeah, in the palace.
The palace.
I don't know which one. There was two.
No,
One
yeah.
was shut.
Palace Bahia.
Santa
What are you talking about?
You don't want to know.
Yeah, you don't want to know.
Talk about them having to poo. They had a poo. Stunk.
I know it's cool.
Guys, in the palace.
I'm going through my pictures. I've deleted about 3,000.
Yeah. I'm too privileged for politics to affect me.
It's nice for you to admit that. Austin. Hello.
It's part of the experience. Mushroom sauce. Can't not have
With
it.
chippies.
With chippies.
There we go. It looks better now.
So much. Love it.
How much was your Coke?
£9.
How much was the bottle of water?
£8.
How much was your meal?
£20, which isn't bad.
It was more than that.
The wine was £40.
It's the last day. We're just going for breakfast. What a traditional man.
Thank you.
Traditional way. God, look at that. He's like a pro.
That is pretty good.
Following the donkey. Hey, Matthew.
Hello.
Hello.
So guys, it's the last day and we decided to vlog. Matt, how do you feel about it being the last day?
So sad.
We've got loads of crap basically that they try and sell in the shops. Got Amy and Jade walking. Very busy. Very, very busy.
There was a terrible earthquake 2 years ago.
And all the buildings are
Caused
falling
devastation,
down.
many dead, rubble everywhere. They're still rebuilding, but the government aren't handing any money to the poor people to rebuild their markets, and then that's why they put the prices up so high for white people.
Start talking. What you got?
So we've done a little shopping spree. We've got some good deals, some very good deals. I mean, this one especially probably was
He was
like
angry about that.
£3 or something. But I said to him, I don't want it. And then he said 30 or something. All right, then I'll have it. So this is
He
for my
was
nan.
angry giving you that.
Vase
For
a
Ronnie?
gift. Oh, I thought we were keeping it a secret.
Well, no,
but-
no, she'll watch it after. But
Ronnie.
my bag, yeah.
And then I've got a little shot glass from Mosaic.
Beautiful.
Morocco. Got in the collection.
What have you just worked out, Jade?
They don't have bacon here.
No carbonara.
They're not allowed.
We've only been here 5 days already.
No proper carbonara. It's turkey ham.
Sorry.
Oh dear. Hey!
The mosque. The Mosque of Azkaban.
Is that actually what it is?
No, it's not.
Sun, final bit of sun until
Oh.
summer next year. Goodbye, sun.
No, that is lovely.
Goodbye. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
So your camera, how many bags?
3 all the way.
We made it.
We've just boarded the plane and we're now getting ready to go.
Go home.
Bye, Morocco.
Red, isn't it?